Hello, Lovey. So you might be wondering why that lady is putting on makeup on Kitty's face. It's just because his photo was rejected or he wasn't allowed to get a passport photo because his skin tone wasn't even. There was a part of his face, the cheeks area was a bit peeled off ang skin. So the ladies in the DFA, Department of Foreign Affairs, were requesting for a bit of makeup to be applied on Kitty's face. So luckily, Watson's was nearby and we requested the lady from Watson's to put on makeup kang Kitty and just shared a little tip because we did not really buy the 700 peso concealer makeup. So there you go. FYI, if you have sunburn, you might want to cover it or conceal it before heading to DFA for your passport photo. Thank you, lovies!